Welcome to our channel. If you're experiencing blackout restrictions on ESPN Plus and can't watch certain games due to location-based limitations, follow these steps to understand and work around the issue. Step 1. Understand that ESPN Plus blackouts occur due to broadcasting rights agreements. Local and national games are often restricted based on your geographic location to protect cable and broadcast partner exclusivity. Step 2. Check if your game is subject to blackout by viewing the ESPN Plus schedule. Games marked with blackout restrictions may apply are likely unavailable in certain regions. Step 3. Verify your actual location by checking your device's location services and ESPN app settings. ESPN Plus determines your location through your IP address and device GPS when available. Step 4. For mobile devices, ensure location services are enabled for the ESPN app by going to your device's Settings Privacy Location Services and confirming ESPN has location access. Step 5. If you're traveling and being incorrectly identified as in a blackout region, try closing and reopening the ESPN app to refresh your location data or sign out and sign back in. Step 6. Consider using a VPN service to virtually change your location, though note this violates ESPN's terms of service and may result in account suspension if detected. Step 7. Check if the game is available on other platforms. Sometimes games blacked out on ESPN Plus are available on local broadcast TV, regional sports networks, or other streaming services. Step 8. For frequently blacked out content in your area, consider alternative services or subscriptions that include your local sports coverage, such as regional sports network streaming packages or cable alternatives. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.